Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of detox water which is really good for weight loss and clear skin. It will boost your immunity and increase your energy level. Okay, we need 1 cucumber, half orange, mint leaves and half lemon. Okay, so here I took a jug. Add mint leaves, lemon, add cucumber, now add orange. Orange will give it a great taste. Okay, and we will add 1.5 liter of water. You can keep this overnight and drink it next day, or you can prepare this 2 hours before drinking. You can only drink this water within 24 hours and then next day you can make a new one. Okay, now mix it well and detox water is ready. You can drink detox water the whole day, and if the water is less you can add more. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.